god, he would be so excited. Hell, I feel like just taking him back here one day just to come and look at these.
Yeah. I'm doing right. Good. No, mine's right here.
One up there in the top, too.
Right here.
Driving by.
The passenger or freight?
Freight. Big long freight. 52 cars. Try to wear the battery out on the
Here, let's walk down here really quick and I'm just going to show you.
You just came through down there, didn't you?
Huh?
That's right. You just came through down there, didn't you?
Yeah.
I got you and the passenger train both at the same time.
Oh, okay.
He come out on the one bridge and you were going
Yeah, I was going in, he was coming
out.
in.
Yeah. Made a good shot, really.
That's right.
I'm going to show him. I'm going to be like, boo-boo, this is a big train track.
I get it on there.
Yeah, there's a long train. Still going by here. Michael, having any trouble? Good. Okay. Once you get the initial bug out there, it's funny that that's where you ride to pick up at the other door. That's how I get through here now.
This is like all the real names. This is Cascade Corporation.
Look at how long.
They're all real. Simpson.
Oh my god, that is so funny.